A lot of people have started getting back into dropshipping in 2025, and they keep asking me, why is Fulfillman so great? What would you choose? How does it compare to this, to that? Guys, one big thing I keep seeing is how does it compare to AutoDs? I'm gonna show you a little comparison today. I also want you to do your own research, and I definitely don't want this to seem like I am trying to take down any company. I'm gonna give you an honest review, and I'm always gonna be truthful about things. You decide for yourself. Either one is gonna help you make money online, and that's what you should be looking to do. Disclaimer, I am just a guy living the dream on a paradise island that got into dropshipping. So if you want that too, guys, try and follow the right steps, follow people like me on YouTube, and make decisions for yourself. Let's go compare these two. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you AutoDs. Now, I'm not here to say that this is the worst company in the world. I'm here to say that there is a better alternative for you, and that's why I make videos every single day to show this. But AutoDs will give you the service that you are probably looking for inside this niche. All right, it's a dropshipping family. Save time, you're automated. Enjoy discount prices, step-by-step dropshipping courses, and so on. What I would say is there is a lot of information inside of here, okay, that actually doesn't, as you can see right now, tell me what is needed for what I want. Now, what I mean by that is there's a lot of information, it looks good, and yeah, I can see it, but actually, I wanna know how I can, for example, build my store. I wanna know, example, how can I get fast line shipping? It doesn't really tell me as much until you start going in, and once you're in, guys, you know how companies work, you're then sucked in. So the reason that I say it does do what it says, but when I compare to Fulfillman, okay, this is the reason I love it, is because as soon as you're on here, it literally says, you can see at the bottom here, this Fulfillment service dropshipping from China, what can we do for you? What is it you need? Dropshipping, China sourcing, Amazon FBA, private line, product photography, crowdfunding. What do you actually need to be done? Speak to us, we'll make it happen. And that is the reason that I first started getting involved. Okay, so what do you need? Next, why choose Fulfillment? Okay, they've got global reach, local expertise, personalized support, cost effectiveness. Who is it for? Entrepreneurs, small business, dropshippers, global brands. So by this point, you will now know if Fulfillment is the platform that you need to use. Every single time I've said this or showed this to anyone, they've chosen Fulfillment straight away, okay? They're also honest about a lot of things like dropshipping, all right? It is absolutely imperative that you know that you can't just come on here and make money in a couple of seconds. It takes time, and they'll explain that to you too, all right? They've got amazing services, all right? They have all the services that I just showed you and what they can offer, but even more than that, they don't talk enough about this, and I will, because you see here, I made a video about it before. Their private line service is actually incredible, okay? It's a new generation of delivery method where you can guarantee your time. For example, in the United States, 5 to 8 working days. Shipping to the United Kingdom, 3 to 5 working days. Shipping all the way to Australia, 4 to 7 working days. No one else in the world can get this done, all right? That is why I'm so impressed with Fulfillment. So you've got to check them out. Simply get a free quote if you are in any of these categories, okay? If you are in any of these, entrepreneur, small business, dropshipper, global brands, looking for any of these, please hit that button and just check them out. If you like that, guys, hit that like button, hit subscribe with the bell to be notified. I'm actually going to be releasing a few comparisons of what people are asking for, so you can make a decision yourself. I'm pretty sure there's not going to be one in my eyes as good as Fulfillment, but if there is, I'll be the first to tell you, and I'll start making videos about them too. But let's go.